as you guys can see, it's already on the desktop. So today we're going to do a quickly review on the full Mechanics Gundam Aerial, which is the same scale as Master Grade, 1/100 scale. Hello guys, what's going on? This is Kawa from Hearns Hobbies. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and going through the gimmicks of the kit. And as you guys can see, it's already on the desktop. So today we're going to do a quickly review on the full Mechanics Gundam Aerial, which is the same scale as Master Grade, 1/100 scale. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. And this time, we're very happy to show you guys. This is the full Mechanics version of Gundam Aerial built by our customer. And he also adding the third-party light kit to make the aerial glowing in the dark. Okay, let's have a look at the box. I'll just put this aerial at the side and let's put this here. Okay, as you guys can see, this is the box art for the full Mechanics version of Gundam Aerial. It uses the same art style as the high grade, which from Mercury line, like a watercolor-ish, very clear and clean. And we also have Slater, the pilot, on the box art as well. And adding the pilots on the box art of the Mechanics kit makes itself more unique. And at the side of the box, we could see some overview of how it looks like after you build, and giving you some quick introduction on how this kit, on the highlights of this kit. And yes, I'll just quickly open the box and show you what's inside. And let's get started. Are you ready? Ta-da! So we all know Gundam Aerial has a very soft and neutral white as a main color. And this is like 80% of the color on Gundam Aerial. And we could see here is the sprue of the weapon, the most significant rifle gun. As you can see, it's over here. The rifle gun could attach the clear blue effect parts, turning the gun into a big sword to have more variety of the weapons, to have more variety of the choice of weapons. And this is one side of, and the red parts are the one side of the feet parts, as you can see it's down here. And we have these through. These are some, most likely are the frame structure. And we have the most significant metallic red, which is supposed to be go underneath the clear black. But the customer doing here is he replaced the metallic red with the actual light panel, so it will look cooler after it lights up. But unfortunately, we took off the battery to considering the safety. So after it lights up, it should be looks nicer than plugging the metallic red parts. Like, it looks cooler. Okay, and what we have here is most likely the armor on the legs. And here we have stickers, which is nicely pre-coded. just easily assemble it, just easily apply them to the surface of the armor, and you're ready to go, and you're done. And this is the lid of the chest armor, the transparent black. I'll just give it zoom in. Yeah, as you can see, it's like very clear, very sharp on the edge, nice pre-molded of all the details. Very perfect. It's a perfectly prescribed, and if you look close to what it looks like after you build it. So as you can see, like, it's gonna look so well, even if you just doing the panel lining, adding some artificial shadow on the model, it will look nice. And it has the handle of the laser sword here, over here, and here, attached to the backpack. And I'm pretty sure it could move, like you can move up and down, position as you want. And have a look at the movability of the arms. Should be like that. If you could see, it has a very well designed connection joint, so give you more range of movements. And they make the thumb separately, so you can position the thumb as a general, like, palm open hand gesture, or just squeeze inside. And we also have the legs. Just focusing a little bit. So this is how it looks like. Looks very nice. And all the linked positioning joints are well expand when you're trying to move it around. Just give it a nice positioning afterwards. And they also designed the feet separate into 3 different parts. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So when you're doing some poses, it can give you an extended range, and this one here is flexible, so it won't block any motions when you're trying to bend the feet forward. And of course, the movable range of the head is pretty well. Forward, back, side, another side. Yeah. And I'll just give it a cool pose, just 1 second. And as you can see, it also has some range of movement on the waist part, so it allows you to bend the upper body a little bit when you're trying to do that. And yeah, this is the pose I do. This is the pose I made. Yeah, how do you reckon? And as you can see, it has a very nice range of movement over all the parts on the body, and it's a very perfect scale that display in the shelf compares to the high grade. So this is how it looks like after you build the full Mechanics Gundam Aerial. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to leave in the comments section. I'm Kawa from Hearns Hobbies. See you in the next video. Bye bye!